A very common question I come across is that how to make my twin flame to fall in love with me, or the other type I usually come across is that how to make my twin flame to stay with me. This video is not going to be a feel-good video. I'm really sorry. My channel is really about to see things realistically instead of telling you lies just to keep you stuck in a fairy tale. The truth is that you cannot create emotions in other people. That is unfortunately impossible. Because just imagine, because this is how you can understand it better, that just imagine that there is a person, for example, you don't know or you don't like, or maybe the person is neutral, and that person would try to do lots and lots and lots of things for you, but you are just not interested in that person at all. It would come across as the person is annoying, or maybe the person is even harassing you. I'm not saying that there is absolutely nothing you cannot do, but when you try a few things, you express that you are interested in the person, or you do a few steps, but then you see that it's going nowhere, you have to realize that there is just nothing you can do. You have to respect the other person's boundaries. You have to respect how the other person feels about you. And this is very, very difficult. But you have to always imagine how would you feel in that other person's shoes. That, for example, someone is madly in love with you, but you just don't like that person. And emotions are not something that you can just magically create. Even when you are with a person that you would love to love, because maybe that person is really amazing, and you are sitting there and it's just like, why can I not love that person? So just think about these things. Emotions cannot be created by the mind. And the second one is going to be similar. How to make my twin flame to stay with me. Look, if the twin flame wants to go, let him or her go. That's actually the biggest thing you can do. That again, you try, but there is like a limit to it. If the person wants to go, you can't force a person to be in a relationship if they don't feel comfortable, if they are not happy. If you are meant to be together, you are going to meet again. You don't know when. Maybe in a few years' time, maybe in a next lifetime. You absolutely do not know that. But I created this video because there are so many videos out there how to make him or her to do this and that. And do you understand? This is control. You want someone to do something that you want. There is no free will. There is no individuality. There is no freedom in the other person. So what these videos are actually telling you is something that is already toxic, and you cannot start a relationship or keep a relationship on a toxic starting point or on a toxic base, because then the whole relationship later on is going to be rotten. And the only thing you can do is that you believe in yourself, that next time you are going to find someone who is going to be a good match, because it's really about finding the good match. Because many times people take it way too personally, that if somebody refuses them, that, oh, there is something wrong with me. It's like going to an ice cream shop and there are 20 different types of flavors, but you only like a few types of them. But another person will actually like the ones that you would never even eat because they look yucky. So this is kind of the same scenario with people, that the things that one person doesn't like in you or maybe finds disgusting in you, the other person is going to adore you and love you for that the most. And that's the only thing you can do, is to find that person. See you in my next video.